I don't know how this is gonna make my life different, but I can tell you, walking outside, I'm gonna have a different approach to my day just in how I feel. And something that little has such a big impact. You can't put a price on that. I'm Rob, I'm 35 years old. I feel like this is a dating thing now, but I work in construction. I'm a big film buff, to be honest. I spend a lot of time listening to music, working out. It started early in high school, to be honest. I remember it was probably grade 10, and my hairline started going back and started thinning out a lot. And it was other kids prompting me to take note of it. And you know, you start wearing hats, you start wearing hoods, you do what you can to hide it, to mask it, to work with it, keep it short. And I gotta be honest, man, I haven't had something this lush on the top of my head since junior year, you know? I tried hair fibers to essentially make up for your hair, to make it look thicker or just like you have more than you do. And that's a temporary solution. It's a Band-Aid on a bullet wound. It doesn't do much. It was good in the sense that I hadn't seen my hair look that thick in a very long time. But then you shower and it's gone, and you got to do it again and do it again every day. And it gets expensive. You pay so much for a bottle that lasts you a week, and I just don't have time. I've seen clips on Instagram and on Facebook and just all over the internet, my ads, they're talking to me about hair systems. And the more I see it, I just got real interested in a more permanent solution, and I had to take the shot. I always thought it was gonna be a last resort, that maybe it was for other people, it wasn't for me. And I've seen the results, I've seen the videos, and I wanted to regain my youth. I wanted to look like these guys. I wanted to feel more confident in myself. I saw that you guys were local. I saw the compliments and the rave reviews of everybody who's experienced it. I felt confident in my decision to come here. I was wearing a lot of hats, but I wasn't ashamed of the fact that I was losing my hair. And anybody that knows me already knew that it was happening. I'm not shy about it, and I'm happy to promote something that I support, that I back. I did go bald, and I'm not Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. I couldn't pull it off. It's not for everybody. It's not a good look for everybody. I got, my boss actually knows that I'm coming here. So I got a little bit of a surprise when I pulled my hood back. I look forward to the shock and surprise. Once you've had hair and then you've lost it and then you get it back and you know that it's within your control to keep it, you're gonna fight for it. I don't see myself going back. So in contrast with the hair fibers where you have to do it every day, I can wake up and go, and it's not something I have to think about. It has a much longer shelf life and much easier to maintain. You're gonna shower, you're gonna wash your hair, get up and go. And that works for me in my lifestyle. Like, I'm busy, I like to keep busy, I like to keep active. I don't wanna have to think about getting pretty every day. So that's less of a cool story. You guys were the highest rated and reviewed on Google in my area and the most local. I figured I'd come in for a consultation, and I saw the price charts. I talked to the ladies, talked to the gentlemen, and I shot my shot. I will say, the idea of shaving the little hair that I had left was a little bit nerve-wracking, was a little bit nervous, but you just have to trust the process. If you're nervous, if you're thinking about it, give it a shot. If you're already losing your hair, what else do you have to lose, honestly? So I think I'm gonna go out. I think I'm gonna have a good time. You guys, you liven my day up, you know.